let us proceed onward. Briskly now, friends, briskly.
Oh no, they broke. Are we gonna get in trouble?
A timid military captain lives in a nation where wars rage without pause. The captain finds himself mediating quarrels among his hot-blooded men. And yet, he never treats them as anything other than his trusted fellows. You all. Yes. Finishing his rounds, the captain restores a temporary discipline. Earlier, a young boy had volunteered for combat so he could avenge his peers. But concerned for the boy's well-being, the captain had turned down his proposal. Dark clouds gather as they ready for combat, matching the captain's mood.
Stories of war, huh?
That was the first time that I knew I wanted to be human, so I could see the world from the same.
Hope you can be human soon, Mr. Monster. I get to be with my mommy and daddy. Mommy!
Dear me, I have...
What's wrong?
A bunch of mean soldiers came to the village, so me and but I got lost.
I believe this child was chased here from inside the scarecrow. It appears so, though I imagine it to be a rather rare...
Can you go find his mommy and the scarecrow, Mr. Monster? Please?
You will be entering the Dark Scarecrows regardless, so I suppose it could not hurt to search for the missing mother as...